Got tired of the road. Supposed to do a ride today, pero after nung ride ng weekend I said shit, screw the road, I'll go for MTB. Medyo maputik lang. Well, hindi medyo, maputik. Tapos I am 25 kilometers away from home. Sobrang maputik. Well, I've had worse. So sa trail, sa MTB or sa trail run, wala kang takas sa dumi. Water bottle, helmet, may putik. Lahat may putik. Putik pare. Done for the day. Pauwi na ako coming from Timberland. It's my first time to come here alone. So buti na lang hindi ako nawala. Buti na lang hindi ako nagka-flat. Although I came prepared, may pump ako, may spare ako, may tire lever, tubig, gels, phones, kompleto. I think nag-Rojas Trail yata ako, or yung green zone. Pero alam ko definitely I did not take the blue zone, kasi alam ko yung blue zone, yun yung laspag na ako. Doon kami umikot ni Ige at saka ni Rafi, and sinusumpa ko talaga yung blue zone dahil ang haba and it's very very technical. 4 hours of, almost 4 hours of biking, and this is what I am allowed to eat: steamed vegetables, chicken breast, and hard-boiled egg, and dessert with banana and soy milk, soy drink. Naisip ko lang, after every long training, nag-uusap kami ni Mayan, or long run, parang what would you rather go through? Matinding pagod or matinding gutom or dehydration? At pag uwi mo, anong uunahin mo? Uunahin mo ba magpahinga dahil sobrang pagod ka, sobrang laspag ka na? Or uunahin mong kumain dahil ubos ka na kailangan mo nang kumain dahil feeling mo hihimatayin ka na sa gutom? Wala lang, food for thought kung anong uunahin mo, kung sabay nangyari yun. Wala, siguro upo muna ako. Unahin ko yung pagod. Unahin ko i-address yung pagod. Pahinga muna. Tapos pag nakahabol na yung hininga ko, tsaka na ako kakain. Minsan, nangyari na ba sa inyo, minsan yung sobrang pagod mo, sobrang gutom mo, gusto mo sobrang worthwhile at sobrang sulit yung kakainin nyo, pero hindi mo alam, hindi kayo makapag-decide kung anong kakainin nyo as a group or kahit mag-isa ka lang. Ironic. Sobrang pagod, pero hindi mo alam, sobrang pagod, sobrang gutom, pero you can't make up your mind on what to do and what to eat.